make the noise. What the fuck is going on inside this thing? Maybe it's one of the speakers. Okay, I know I heard it twice. Now I'm about to see if I can catch it coming right out of there. Right there. Oh man, wait till I show these people a cricket. See if I can get it again. Do it again. Perfect. That might be good.